How to fix can't share on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application. And here, let's say you want to share this post. So what you can do is on the bottom part, you'll see three different options there, right? You'll see like, comment, and share. Now, if you click on share and you cannot actually share it, or let's say if you share it, no one is reacting to it, that might be because you have set it on your private mode here on your audience. So you have to make sure that you've set it to friends or your public, and then tap on that and then share the post. Now, if it still doesn't work that way, that might be because you have a very weak connection to internet. So you have to make sure that you're connected to internet. Now, if internet is weak, then you can go to your cellular data if you have a cellular data. Now, if it still doesn't work that way, then what you can do is you can go hit your app store or your play store, depending on what device you have there, and look for Facebook here. And you have to make sure that you have updated your Facebook application. Now, it's very important for you to update your application here. That is because it can actually fix the bugs here, such as this bug here, that you can share a post on Facebook. And here, if it still doesn't work, then you can try to check your Google here and search for Facebook if it's currently down or not. Now, if it still doesn't work, then you cannot do anything about it. Then the only way is to just wait for the Facebook community to get back to you or to fix that problem. So basically, that's how you fix Can Share on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.